Hey, this is Dayron, the HVAC tech, and today I'm working on a steam system. This is the old boiler. It was leaking at the bottom and it was a 30-year-old system. We are using cinder block to raise the boiler off the floor in case of a flood. While waiting for the boiler to get delivered, I started working on all the radiator vents in the house. Radiator vents are easy to install. All you need is pipe sealant on the threads, and it's only need to be hand tightened. These are the vents that we use. While I was doing all the vents around the house, Jerome was installing the thermostat. And this is the complete install. We use black spray paint on all the gas and steam pipes. We changed 16 feet of 6-inch venting. That is the main return vent at the top that we also changed. We added a new boiler drain, and we also ran the water line in copper.
BeatStars.com